Hi, my name is Anne Marie DelPrincipe, owner and CEO of Mastering Software Unlimited, where I believe that you should go beyond the proficiency level. I have over 30 years of software training for individuals and private corporations, as well as a corporate training specialist for several colleges in New Jersey. I earned a BA in Computer Information Science and an MBA in Management Information Science. I look forward in speaking at the Crown's Leadership International Group for EA and PEA to Manager on August 25th of this year, which will be a live webinar. My webinar will cover topics like why design matters in Excel, why your Excel workbooks must be efficient and effective, what are the tools and functions that are considered most important in Excel, and how to get the job done faster in Word by using the navigation pane and styles. And lastly, why section breaks play a major role in headers and footers. Again, I look forward in seeing you on August 25th. Thank you.